Welcome to our complete guide on gaining energy in Anime Last Stand 2025. Today, we'll unlock the secrets to keeping your powers fueled and ready for action. First, let's dive into the different types of energy sources available in the game. Understanding these will set the foundation for your energy strategy. To gather energy efficiently, you'll need some tips and strategies. Let's explore how to maximize your efforts. Don't forget to participate in in-game events. These often provide bonus energy rewards that can significantly boost your resources. Crafting and upgrading items is crucial in boosting your energy recovery. Let's take a closer look at how you can optimize this process. Proper energy management can make a world of difference. Here are the best practices to maximize your energy usage effectively. Let's explore energy buffs and power-ups available in the game to give you that extra edge when gathering energy. Monitor your daily quests. They're a fantastic source of energy, but you need to know what to look for. Remember, teamwork is vital. Form alliances with other players to share energy resources and enhance your gameplay experience. To recap, we've covered effective methods for energy acquisition in Anime Last Stand 2025. Use these strategies to stay ahead in your adventures.